Hey, what's up guys, V here. So I'm going to be checking out today a case for this beauty here. I did unbox this the other day. If you want to go check out my video on it. It's nice. Not like you haven't seen 1,000 videos on it. Anyway, I needed protection. I ordered the case from VRS Design. It's the Galaxy Zfold series quick stand case. I got the matte black, and I had a couple of different other colors, some green, and I think they had a metal black. Basic but versatile. It looked pretty easy to put on. I haven't seen it yet unboxed or anything. I'm sure there are some unboxings. I'm sure I'm not the first one. Anyway, let's get right to it. Some of the specs is premium, made with high quality materials, no extra bulkiness added, provides maximum protection, slim and form-fitted construction, resistance to accidental drops, precise cuts for responsive feedback, button sensitivity. So let's bust it open. Need a little open tab. Alright, put that aside for now. Get a little wide shot there. There we go. It's like this all we have inside. You know, I never even heard of VRS Design. I know it sounds weird because I see a lot of tech guys and they swear by it. But this is my first ever using one of their product. It does have double-sided tape here in the bottom. Let me see, where's that at? All right, yeah, there it is. Some little tape strips there. Let me see something here. So, please follow instructions below. Separation declares. So, it is optional if you want to put it on. So, if you're having trouble with the case is coming off, then you can put the double-sided tape on. I don't know if I want to put the tape on. So I'm going to just do it without the tape right now. These are usually pretty simple, but just let me check because this is a unique phone. Okay, so camera side. Let's see here. There. Well, it's pretty simple. Oh, this is nice. It's a pretty sturdy feeling. Okay, it feels sturdy. Look at that, pretty nice. Got the little kickstand on the back, camera cutout, and it does here. There you go. So it's raised, so got a little camera protection there. Your button cutouts, power button, fingerprint scanner, or yeah. Fingerprint scanner, up and down rocker, speakers. This is really nice. It feels nice, good grip. And the phone, I mean, if you haven't held one, it's very slippery because it's a little bit slimmer than say like my Note 20 Ultra. Anyway, looks good. My next purchase is going to be a screen protector. I know there's one that comes on it, but it's already getting little scuffs on it. Let's check out some of these features here, or the feature here, which is the kickstand. So like you can sit it like that if you're viewing there, and then you can pop it up here to view the inside screen. You can stand it straight up like that. Oh, that's nice. Man, it's pretty sturdy too. I mean, and I guess if you wanted to look at it like that, you can look at it like that also. So there wasn't much to it. I mean, it's a case. It's very nice. Like I said, it has some little ridges here, and then it's raised on the corners a little bit. Feels really sturdy. So, Galaxy Zfold Series Quick Stand Pro. I will have a link in the description below. Please like, comment, subscribe. This is V. I'm out.